Imagine studying microbiology for years, thinking you will work in big laboratory with microscopes, but instead you end up doing interviews, hiring people, and talking about mutual fund. I know it sounds very confusing. Well, that's exactly what happened in my life. Hello everyone, welcome back to the HR Investor. Those who are new here, I will tell you my name is Smriti, and on this channel we talk about two important things, which is HR knowledge and smart investing. So we will be discussing about HR insights, but before that I thought I will be sharing you about my journey so that you can relate how what experience I have and what I will share to you. So I will tell you, I started my journey is very complicated. एज यू नो, लाइक हमने जो ज़िंदगी के लिए सोचा होता है उससे कुछ अलग ही हमारी लाइफ हमको लेके जाती है. तो इट रिप्रेजेंट्स माई लाइफ टू. So I completed my masters in COVID year. At that time, everything was shut down. Right, there was no pharma company, no food company hiring any freshers or anybody. There at that moment there was no hiring. Okay, so I thought what to do at that moment, because I was fresher at that time. So I thought आई डोंट नो ना कि वो ड्यूरेशन कितने टाइम तक चलने वाला था, हमको उस टाइम आइडिया नहीं था. सो व्हाट आई डिसाइडेड, इंस्टेड ऑफ वेटिंग फॉर द परफेक्ट जॉब, आई डिसाइडेड टू स्टार्ट एन इंटर्नशिप इन लाइफ साइंस content writing. I thought at least I will learn something new, and that's where something interesting happened. Like while working there, I had joined internship for few months, and while working there I introduced to HR. I was familiar with this term, but I was not familiar what the whole process do, what the hiring process, compliance, and how the HR department operates. So from there I start observing, learning few new skills. Step by step I started, and I also get some knowledge from seniors as well. So from there I started my journey, and today I am running a small recruitment and web development company here in Pune as well as in Mumbai. So that's why with my all the experience I will be sharing you in this channel about HR insights, recruitment strategy. अगर आपको आपका खुद का रिक्रूटमेंट बिजनेस स्टार्ट करना है तो आप कैसे कर सकते हैं, आपको फ्रीलांस रिक्रूटर बनना है तो कैसे स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं अपनी जर्नी, आप क्लाइंट्स कैसे ला सकते हैं, आप कैसे क्लाइंट्स को पिच करेंगे, लीड कैसे लाएंगे, एंड सो मैनी अदर थिंग्स. हर चीज भी आई विल बी शेयरिंग यू. And one more, I will be sharing you in this. And one more thing, I will also tell you about financial growth, because I have just qualified recently. Not, I will say last year I have qualified mutual fund distributor certification exam. And I got my ARN number. Those who know what is ARN number, that's great, and those who don't know, they don't need to worry. In my coming videos I will be telling you about ARN, what is ARN, एंड अबाउट म्यूचुअल फंड. सो इंडिया में क्या होता है, अगर आपको डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर बनना है, म्यूचुअल फंड डिस्ट्रीब्यूटर, या लोगों की हेल्प करनी है फाइनेंशियल समझाने के लिए, या उनको इन्वेस्ट करवाना है किसी चीज़ में, तो यू नीड अ सर्टिफिकेशन, यू नीड टू गिव अ एग्जाम. सो आई गिव दैट एग्जाम बिकॉज आज के टाइम में फाइनेंशियल नॉलेज होना इज very important. People know how to earn money, but they don't know how to build money or how to make money. So it is very important to aware about financial all the knowledge, everything. So I will say a good career gives you income, but the right investment gives you freedom. So this is what I have done, and I will say subscribe this channel, because we will be discussing in future about everything related to HR. I will be also discussing about multiple open positions about AI in HR, in all other things as well, and in investment also for mutual fund and real estate. So see you in the next video.